some of these vax injured that they have fasted for a couple of days?
Yeah, so you'll see in our protocol, sorry to override Pierre, that we've combined ivermectin with intermittent fasting. And it sounds pretty bogus, but actually it's based on very sound physiological data. So when you actually fast, it stimulates the cell to actually break down misfolded proteins, damaged proteins, maybe the spike protein. So it's a way of the cell healing itself. It's called autophagy, where the cell digests broken and damaged proteins. It's very, very powerful. And so we think if you combine intermittent fasting with ivermectin, you have a really strong mechanism of restoring the immune system. So intermittent fasting is actually a lot easier than fasting. Fasting is quite difficult. With intermittent fasting, what you do is you just miss breakfast and you slowly increase the period of time that you're not eating. And it triggers an enormous amount of really important repair mechanisms in the body. And if you think about it, the way we evolved as hunters and gatherers, we would have a feast and then we would starve. That was the way we were designed. We weren't designed.
You didn't eat donuts 4 times a day, Paul?
We weren't designed to go to the store and eat donuts every 2 hours.
Yeah. One thing I'll say is that fasting, like pure fast, water fasting, it is a little bit more challenging unless you're sort of educated in the approach, because the hunger pangs, and that actually not hunger pangs, those are actually habits, and those are sensations that don't actually indicate hunger. It's just something that it's a habitual sort of hormonal cycle of insulin that we feel like we have to eat. It's not true hunger. And hunger actually goes away within a day and a half or 2 days. And once you get past that initial phase, people have really enjoyed, semi-prolonged